So many people ask me, why is traveling so important in my life? I just want to say, traveling is making a journey and moving from one place to another. Traveling is like a book. Read the first page and then move to the next. What I mean is, leave your hometown, experience new places by visiting there. Then only you will move to the next page or phase of your life. Going to a new page is the continuation of your journey. It means you are not stopped in your life. You are moving and learning. At the last, you make yourself motivated. A journey always makes you inspired and motivate you to do some creativity. I always take a trip or go out on a tour once in a month or two. I always look energized, active, happy, strong, and confident. I'll be more manageable and focused. Yes, it's natural. At the end, what matters is peace of mind and heart. We never know what we have until we lose it. So, yeah, keep traveling till you're alive.